And a couple quick notes. This is broken into several programs. Jump around as you wish. I'm going to talk about how to prepare a tax return, but you might be preparing a tax return yourself. You might be using any of a number of popular programs. Maybe you're someone who uses a high volume tax firm like H&R Block or Liberty Tax. You could also be a person that uses a professional tax preparer or an accounting firm to prepare your tax return. This is still a good course for you, regardless of what mode of tax prep you use, because it turns out that most tax preparers don't know what they're doing when it comes to preparing a crypto tax return. I will show you ways that you can provide them information so that they can prepare the return the way you want. Remember, they work for you, all right? If you don't like the return they're coming out with, then you don't have to file it. You're the one that's responsible for how that tax return's put together. It's not the tax preparer. So you should really take ownership of it. One comment I'm going to make about gain calculation, which is the calculating how much your gain or loss is from trading. That is not the subject of this video series, but one advice is whatever method you use, if it comes up with a number that you don't believe in, if you don't genuinely believe in your heart that you had that amount of gain, then it's not going to be an accurate tax return, just straight up. And we've dealt with so many people, and no matter how big the investor is, they all have an intuitive knowledge of about how much gain they had, and you should stick with that. Don't pay any more taxes than you have to. One of the things that's really exciting about this program is once you are in a position that you have a tax return, when it's all completed, you can schedule a review call with one of my managers, and they can go through it to see if you've hit all of the important boxes that a crypto return needs to have. And a lot of times, especially if you're preparing yourself, you have a series of questions, you just never had anyone to talk to, he can answer your questions. I think it's one of the most wonderful things that we offer. Again, all of this we're putting out there to help as many people as possible. I hope that you'll also consider becoming Guard Dog members. It's one of our defense protection mechanisms that all our clients subscribe to, and it has kept a lot of people out of audits, and it's just really worth its weight in gold. Think of it as an insurance plan for your tax return in case you get audited. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this series.